Hi everyone, so this is the crib we bought from IKEA for $99.99. That's without taxes. If you live in Canada, this is it. This is the wood finish Sniglar. And we also got the mattress from IKEA as well. It was the Skonast, I believe, for $80. That's without taxes. And this is my little girl. She's 7 months old. She just loves it. As you can see, there's nothing in the crib except the bed sheet, which was from IKEA as well. There's a mattress protector under there. And the mattress actually comes with a zipper where you can zip off and put in the washer. So my little girl really likes it, and this is what it looks like from afar. And that's it. The Sniglar from IKEA. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.